This is a new Microhoo personal air cooler that I just bought. I'm gonna unbox it. And the first thing that you will see is the accessory kit. In the accessory kit, there's the product guide and the USB cable. This is the Type-C kind. So here's the main unit. This is supposed to be the fan. Here, the Type-C port where this cable can go into. Then turning it over. So here's where the cold air can come out. Over here at the side, there's a knob. Okay, you can turn the knob to adjust the direction of the airflow. Okay, this is the water tank. Okay, you can take out the water tank. And you can open the lid. So after you fill the tank with water, all you need to do is attach it back to this spot here. Okay. This is the interface where you can turn on and shut down the unit. The first time you use the unit, the instruction says that you let it run for 15 minutes. Then you turn it on. Okay, I'll try that out.